Today, my lovely wife is going to be walking you guys through what she likes about this book and maybe not necessarily what she doesn't care for. So we're going to interview Liz. Liz, how often do you practice per week?
I would say a minimum of 15 minutes a day, upwards of 30, 45 minutes, sometimes an hour every day. I've been taking lessons for 4 years as an adult and once a week with my instructor. And we went through the Alfred's all-in-one course level 1, and now we're in level 2, and it has taken me 2 years, and I am about halfway through.
Wow,
So
interesting.
so I'm working right now on Hava Nagila, and compared to the very beginning of the book, you can see the simplicity from the beginning compared to here.
This is halfway through,
This
you
is
said?
halfway through.
Interesting.
And then this is kind of where we're headed.
This is towards the very, very end. Okay, interesting. All right, we're gonna put her on the spot. How long have you been practicing this one right here?
A couple days?
Okay, we're gonna put her on the spot. Okay.
okay.
All right, be gracious to her. Okay, here we go.
G sharp. G sharp. Gotta remember the G sharp.
That's okay, that's okay. This isn't a recital. So if you are in a similar boat as Liz is in terms of how often you practice and how often you are savvy with music, so overall, how many stars would you give this?
Oh, 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. Okay, all right. I look forward to you finishing this book. Halfway through already. Well done, Liz.